Hello, my name is Dawn Ringrose, and I'd like to welcome you to the Organizational Excellence Framework Workshop. I've been a management consultant for 30 years now. I started out by doing an MBA and earned a fellow certified management consultant designation and quite a number of quality and excellence designations over time. Working with large international firms, I eventually started my own firm, and I've also been involved as an owner in a number of business enterprises. But over the past 30 years, I've worked with clients across sectors, government, business, nonprofit, and helped them to increase their performance. Some have even been recognized with National Excellence Awards. A number of years ago, I wanted to capture what I had learned over time and share it with others. So I wrote a publication and developed an accompanying toolkit to help with the excellence journey. I strive to make both the publication and the tools in the toolkit simple, straightforward, cost-effective, and time-efficient. This work applies to any size and type of organization and will serve every professional well. And I wanted it to be very accessible no matter where those professionals were in the world. So this workshop provides an introduction to the publication, some background on excellence models and the research that validates that if you put an excellence model in place, you will improve an organization's performance. It'll provide an overview of the Organizational Excellence Framework publication, so you feel comfortable in using it. And then it provides a hands-on opportunity to self-assess your organization against the Organizational Excellence Framework and to prepare an improvement plan to address gaps. I hope you enjoyed this workshop and that it's very valuable to you.